Alright, we back. We got another challenge on the truck cover. This comes from pickup covers here. I'll put a little picture up here where it came from. So was it got a 5-year warranty, and we can't find one last a year. And it does say indoor, outdoor. We're gonna see how it works out. Get this other one off of here. This budge, it lasts about 9 months, I guess. So let's open the box, but I hadn't taken the cover out of the vacuum pack, nothing like that yet. You'll see that. So let's look, see what all you get with this cover here. It's still vacuum packed. I just raised it up out of it a while ago to look at it. I ain't gonna box it back up and tape it until you ain't opened it up yet. So here it is in our vacuum bag. It has some tips here that we'll go over. You know, it says don't hit the tailpipe with it. Just stupid stuff, you know what I mean? Never cover a convertible with the top down. You don't have that problem. Antennas, make sure the antennas are down, so on. Then you clean it with a soft brush. Do not use soap on it. If you do, wash it, line dry it, and store it back in the storage bag. Well, we're not going to store it, we're going to use it. And comes with a cross cable and a patch there in case the air go out of it. Of course, a storage bag, and that's what you get in that box. So let's see what all come in a little baggie here. Like I say, you're gonna get your patch, so you get a hole in it, start going flat on you, and some rope here to tie something or tie it up on there with. And you got a combination lock. Now, I'm not sure why you'd want a combination lock. Maybe if you're in a shop somewhere and you got people wanting to take the covers off, I guess. I don't know. Or outside. Don't know. Anyway, you'll get a combination lock with it. And this was really crazy because I ordered it Thursday or Friday. Look at that date and see. Delivered as promised. And it was like 2 days. This thing was here over the weekend. Kind of crazy. I'm just not getting to it. So I've had it a few days. But anyway, let's get this cover here off of here. And since the last video, I mean, it's really gotten, well, there's nothing really. I mean, come on. 9-10 months. And I'm not even gonna go through the trouble messing with them. You know, if it lasts a year, over a year, say a year and a half, something happens, then we may, you know, holler at them. But it ain't last long enough for me to even waste my time with them. You know what I mean? This is budge here. We'll get this budge cover off. Go back with this one. See how she fits. And see how it goes. Here we go. I have no idea where Lester run off to. You know, when you need him, he gone. You know what though? He'll be needing something, and he'll come back around. He'll need something. Well, they don't come all to pieces while I'm trying to take it off of here. We got it though. There she is. Well, inside sure looking good. Gotta finish it up. All right, let's get the new one on. See how it fits. Well, that vacuum pack plastic it was in, you ain't putting your thumb through it. I know that. Well, unless you got them different type of fingernails, I guess you could. Look at here. Got the lingerie wrapping off of it. That's pretty neat. Let me try to find if it says front on it to make it easier. Hold on. It might. I could have it upside down or something. With them, they go about midway or sideways somewhere. Let's see. Gosh. That's the only thing I wish they would have here we go right here, front. I was wondering if it had the front on it or not. So, kind of spin it around. It will go on. I guess it does say front on it, you know what I'm saying? The old Lester, I was going to get him to help me. And I have no idea where he went. Was out here. Where'd my tag go now? Amazon. Let's see how she gonna fit. I thought about taking these covers and putting that stuff you buy for your shoes on them. I don't know if they'll accept that though, as far as their warranty goes. If I'd be like, well, since you put that on there, can't warranty it, broke the material down. So we're just gonna roll with it like it is. Alright, there's a cab corner, looks like right there. That's pretty good so far. I did put a chair in the back of it to help take some of the water away when it rains. If this one will allow it to stay, it may be a tighter fit cover and it may not, you know. We'll see what she look like. All right, stay there. Okay, there's a cab corner right here. Another cab corner right there. Cab corner. down. Yeah, we'll see how this works out. There's another cab corner right there. There's one right here. Cab corner. So if it's cab, great. Right on the corners. This is a bed corner right here. That matches perfect. Alright, so my chair back in spot. I think it's gonna fit alright. Let's see on the other side. Does it have the like it does? Let me see. So yeah, it does. Take this front back off for a second because it got hung up on the windshield wiper. That cross snap piece. You can't go there. Okay. There's a the cross snap piece that goes underneath it. Snaps on the other side. I have to get my broom party to get it. I might be able to chunk it through there. We'll try it and see. I doubt it though. I think it went. Maybe. Yeah, she went. Alright. So down there. So let's see what happens. You know. This is the July 16th, so let's see what happens. Like I say, it gives when you gonna get all your information. Installation. Don't say nothing about Lester. I don't know where he went to. We need something after a while. He'll come around. So there's no eyes on the front of the back. It's just the eye in the center. If you want to use it, I'm using that clamp right now. So if you got a about a, well, it'd be in the 70s, 80s C10 step side. Cover fits great. Looking for one. Kitty, Louie, come here. Come here, Louie. My cat. What was all that? Give me a walk around. You need everything stuck to him. What do you think about it? You alright with it? He'll probably come and lay down after a while. He stays inside and comes out with me when I'm doing something. If I go outside and he knows as I'm outside, he goes crazy. He won't come outside with his dad, I guess. You know? Alright. Thanks for watching. And we'll see how long this one here lasts. See y'all next time.